Tonight, we're taking a closer look at a groundbreaking initiative that reimagines justice for Minnesota youth. The goal is to improve outcomes for children trapped in the legal system. Heidi Wigdahl joins us now with more.
Lauren, Ramsey County Attorney John Choi says he's not aware of this type of model anywhere else in the nation. They officially launched a new approach to addressing the youth legal system and the racial disparities that exist within it. It launched in the summer of 2021, and they now have enough data to say they feel confident it's working.
Good morning, everybody.
Ramsey County Attorney John Choi set out years ago to do things differently in the youth justice system.
Why did this young person do this? What are the underlying reasons for that justice involvement?
What happens when a kid can't read? We teach, right? When a kid can't swim, we teach. But when a kid doesn't know how to behave, do we teach or do we punish?
The Reimagining Justice for Youth initiative involves a collaborative review team with everyone from the county attorney to public defenders in the community who review cases together to decide whether a case needs to be charged or can be addressed in other ways.
In a restorative circle, youth sit face to face with peers, impacted parties, and trained facilitators. They speak their truth, they listen, they take responsibility, and they participate in crafting agreements to repair the harm.
Headlines such as the one that read, "Crime but no punishment," shortly after the county attorney began this work, implied this was a dangerous policy. But is it?
In 2022 to 2023, one-year recidivism rates for youth whose first cases were resolved in community accountability were 4% compared to 29% in traditional court. When doing apples-to-apples comparisons, youth with a first-time assault offense who avoided court had a third the risk of recidivism.
I've been a cop now. I was just thinking about it this morning for 37 years. And I can tell you this is the most promising thing I've seen.
Now, as part of the process, when a young person is referred to their office, they reach out to the parent or caregiver to gather input. The same thing happens for the victim and their family. Both statements are then read to the collaborative review team for them to consider when making a decision on where the case goes next. Lauren.
Wow, some really interesting findings there. Heidi, thank you.